Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to temporarily disable 360 total security. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up 360 total security. As you can see here, protection is turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this. Then you want to go on, click on configure here. And then at the bottom of this box here that says disable protection, click onto that, and so your computer will be vulnerable without active protection. You can try pausing protection, so you can pause it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, pause until computer restarts, or permanently close. So just choose which one you want to do. So I just want to pause at 15, click that, or pause it until computer restarts. I'm going to check that and then click on OK. And there you go, protection is now off until my PC restarts. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to disable 360 total security. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.